Well, good evening. Hope you've enjoyed your Tuesday so far. Now, if you were able to dodge some of the showers and storms we've already seen across the area, don't get too comfortable. We could have another round of storms moving through heading into our evening. So here's a look at the trend overnight tonight. Temperatures getting down out of the 90s finally after the 6 o'clock hour, moving through the 80s into the 70s after midnight, and those rain chances will also diminish after the 10 o'clock hour. So here's a look at the rest of the evening. Now, of course, some spotty showers, possibly some thunderstorms already made their way into north central Florida as the sea breeze, the Gulf Coast and the Atlantic sea breezes start to move inland. Now, as that happens and they merge, this is where we could see some stronger storms start to develop really right along and just to the east of the I-75 corridor. So today the activity did shift farther to the east as we do see more of this influence out of the west. So this is a little bit different than what we were looking at yesterday. So this is going to be where we'll see the greatest concentration of rain, as well as the highest chances to see some of those stronger storms. Now, if they do develop, here's what we are watching. We could see some wind damage, lightning, heavy rain, and even some hail, possibly with these stronger cells if they were developed. So shaded in the yellow, these are the areas that are at the greatest risk and have the highest chances to see some of those stronger storms. So really right along, and again, just to the east of the I-75 corridor. That same area is also where we'll see the highest rain chances heading into the rest of our evening. So Gainesville drying out after the 11 o'clock hour, Lake City after the 10 o'clock hour, Ocala after 9 o'clock. Most areas south of Alachua County should be dry. Overnight lows tonight getting down to the upper 60s to 70 across the area. So another warmer night in store for us. Normally those lows are sitting in the lower 60s, so 70 degrees, certainly warmer for this time of year. Wednesday's highs, another warm day in store for us. 91 the high in Gainesville, 92 in High Springs, and the heat index could be in the mid 90s, so that means we'll be feeling actually a couple degrees warmer than the actual temperature. But good news heading into our weekend in terms of the rain chances. The heat, of course, does stick around, but heading into Friday, you can see we do have the influence of some drier air starting to move in. So you'll see in the 6-day coming up that rain chances really do go down heading into our weekend, really just looking towards some spotty shower activity. So I think that is good news for most of you who are looking towards making some weekend plans. So for our Wednesday, start off partly cloudy, heat index, of course, something we're watching in the 90s, and then scattered thunderstorms, another chance for those in the afternoon hours, but we dry off by Friday.